Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm very excited. We're gonna make one of the drinks which actually got me the job for Absolut. You requested it. It's the Absolut Gangster. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and you're gonna get more drinks like this. Now this is a Vodka Old Fashioned, so we're gonna make this into a mixing glass. We're gonna make 2 drinks. As you know, it's always better to drink with somebody you love. First thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna want 5 mils per drink. So we're gonna put 10 mils into the mixing glass in total of rich syrup. Go back and watch our simple syrup video and you'll find out how to make rich syrup. That's a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. So we want 10 mil going straight in. Beautiful. Next up, Lillet. Lillet Blanc is a French aromatized wine. Aromatized wine just means sweet, spicy, aged wine. This is the white version, and we're gonna add 12.5 mils per shot. So all we're gonna do is add 25 mils straight in. Next on the list is a flavoursome, a type of bitters called Abbott bitters. Abbott bitters were the original bitters used in the Manhattan, and we're gonna use this in this drink right now. 3 to 4 drops per drink. 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. This bitter is heavy in flavor of clove, so that's what you're kind of looking for. And then next, last but not least, the true Absolut Gangster original, Absolut Vodka. We want 45 ml per drink, because this is quite a spirit-forward drink. We're gonna get some good ice. We've got these big ice chips here, and we wanna stir this until it's nice and chilled. You can just tell by keeping your hand here when it gets cold. Oh lordy. Ooh. We get in there. Again, with an old-fashioned style drink, I personally would say that you want to serve it a little bit premature so that you get the full development of the drink as you sit and sip it. If you like this drink, go back to one of our first drinks called the Hollis. That is the Christmas or winter version of the Absolut Gangster. And if you also look out for the summertime cookout, that is our summertime version of the Absolut Gangster, but this is the original. We're gonna take our glasses. We want some nice big heavy glasses to sit and sip. And we're gonna take nice big block ice and throw that directly in there. Next up, we're just gonna pour that in over our glass. Maybe these glasses were also too big. Have we got smaller versions of this glass? Because I'm sure we had this glass in the Hollis one. I may have messed up with the glasses. 1 sec. So I've just checked around and that was correct. They are the right glasses. We just had bigger ice last time. Totally my mistake. The only thing we've got to do now is just zest it, garnish it, and make it perfect. And the best zest, an orange zest. A nice big chunk. And then you want to get all those oils and then just drop it in. Boom. The Absolut Gangster, the best vodka old fashioned on the market. Let's have a sip. Nailed it. Getting that hit of clove, getting all those fresh spices coming from the Lillet. The Absolut Vodka, you can get the pure butterscotch and taste of the winter wheat. It's one of the best drinks on the market. I know I created it, but I'm allowed to say that because I am your favorite bartender's favorite bartender. Thank you very much, Absolut Gangster.